have been in Venezuela now for 10 days.
10 days.
What have we done while we've been here?
Go to the beach.
First one we went to, what was it called?
Juventud.
The youth beach. The second beach we went to was Yaque. We went kayaking during the full moon, where they gave us wine on the kayak, and I got a little seasick. We went to Playa Margarita. It had really big waves. What else have we done? What else? We went to the movies. We went shopping. Prices here, I feel like, are generally the same. The day before yesterday, we went on a great boat tour to Isla Cubagua. My favorite day in Isla Margarita begins on a boat headed towards an abandoned sunken car ferry. The ferry went down in the 1970s for unknown reasons and has stayed there since, but it offers a home to beautiful fish and coral reefs. Hop back onto the boat and head to the southern part of Isla Cubagua. Here we take a mud bath. The island has a small mud pit that is high in healthy mineral contents that is great for the skin. So we lather our body completely in the mud, sit in the sun as it dries, and then jump off a dock into the ocean to rinse off. Afterwards, we head to a viewpoint to take some nice pictures with the touristic sign on the island, and stop for a scenic pee. We head back to our boat and enjoy some drinks before anchoring on a different side of the island, where we enjoy a fried fish lunch on our own private beach. I've never seen such clear blue waters. It's a hidden paradise. Finally, we make our way back to the main island and the real party starts. Today's Valentine's Day and I don't know what we're doing. Probably the one and only time that Valentine's Day will be left completely in your hands. Keep you posted. Carlos has planned a relaxing spa day at a hotel. Obviously, we've been pretty stressed out on this trip. We relax in the jacuzzi before headed to our nice couples massage. On day 11, we explore yet another new beach, Playa Papaito. This beach is located closer to the city where the locals can come for a quick dip. On our last beach day, we returned to Parquito Beach, where I learned a new game of Raqueta de Playa. On our last full day, we traveled to the middle of the island to the National Park of Laguna de la Restiga. In order to cross the channels, we hire a boat to give us a small tour and take us to our destination. This area is mainly known for its abundant resource of oysters that grows and reproduces between the branches of these aquatic trees. Here, we are also able to spot a few bright orange sea stars. This ecological park is home to many animals, including pelicans and storks. We arrive at our destination, La Restiga, and we meet a cute local boy working hard between his school classes. As this region is known for its oysters, we order a bucket to share amongst us. They are retrieved fresh from the water and opened at our table. There's nothing more authentic. A pinch of lime and it's ready to eat. We always travel with a bottle of rum. It's the Venezuelan way. Sadly, it's time to return home. We fly from Isla Margarita back to the capital of Caracas, where we say our goodbyes. But I know that we will be back soon. Say ciao.
Ciao.
Ready to head home?
No.
We could stay here forever. Bye.